Bioindicators. Life is the best indicator of environment, and also several biological methods can be applied in predicting the impact of human life activities. So these human activities can change the environment, and these changes can be identified by the bioindicators. These biological methods can be applied in predicting the impact of human activities, and also these human activities change the environment, and these changes can be identified by the bioindicators. And the microbes, plants, animals, cell organelles, and organs, individuals, and population constitute the ecosystem can be used as bioindicators. The organisms shows different levels of sensitivity. Each response is the effect of factors or complex. So every plant is the produce of coordination under which it grows, and these dominant species in area are most important indicators, and also this plant community also important bioindicators. So when we compare with the individual plants, so this plant community is important as bioindicators. So here these stenospecies and also Eurispecies are both are best indicators when we compare with these Eurispecies. These stenospecies are best bioindicators when we compare with the Eurispecies. Stenospecies means which is present in a narrow tolerance range, and Eury means a wider tolerance range. So the first one, indicators of potential productivity of land. So where the fertile soil is present, in these lands there is a Quercus stellata present, and it grows very rapidly in this fertile soil, and also it is completely absent in the poor soil. This Quercus stellata present only in fertile soil, and also it grows in the fertile soil only, and it is completely absent in the poor soil. And also indicators of climate. So these xerophytes and also evergreen forests are indicates the rainfall. So where xerophytes are present, it is a low rainfall areas, and these evergreen forests are present in the heavy rainfall area. And indicators of fire. This Epibolium spicatum and Pinus contrata, these two species are grows in frequent fire areas. And also these two species are present in frequent fire areas only. And the next one, petrol deposits. These Pusulinids protozoan lives in where petroleum deposits are present, and adequate oxygen in water. This Exagenia insect lives in water with proper oxygen. And also overgrazing indicators. This Utricularis cara present in the polluted water, and these diatoms are present in the pollution by sewage water, and this Escherichia coli present in the polluted water, and absence of Labiorhyncha and Catla indicates the industrial pollution. And soil types. So these Rumex acetosella present in the acidic grassland soils. Acidic grassland soil, and these Saccharum, spontaneum, and Artemisia tridentata present respectively poorly drained soil and soil erosion. Bioindicators, these human activities are predicted changes the environment, so these are predicted by these bioindicators, and several biological methods are using to predicting these changes, and these microbes, plants, animals, and these cell organelles, organisms, and individuals and communities used as bioindicators. So here indicator of potential productivity of land, this Quercus stellata grows in fertile soil only, it is completely absent in the poor soil. And indicators of climate, these xerophytes grows in the low rainfall areas, and these evergreen forests are present in the heavy rainfall areas. And also this Epibolium spicatum and also Pinus contorta, these two species are present in frequent fire areas only. And these Pusillanimous protozoan present on the petrol deposits, and also adequate oxygen in water. This Exogynia insect present in the proper oxygen levels of water. And also overgrazing indicators, this Utricularis cara present in the polluted water, and this Diatom are present in the sewage water, and Escherichia coli also present in the polluted water, and this Labiorhyncha and Cutler both are options. It indicates that it is industrial wastage. And these Rumex acetosella present in the acidic soils, and Saccharum spontaneum present in the poorly drained soil, and these Artemisia tridentata present in the soil where soil erosion occurs. It's about bioindicators.